Hey friends, welcome to Pickle Love, and this time you're going to see how to make something really easy. It's a tea time snack and it's something really different. It's a broken wheat pizza. Yeah, I name it pizza because you can make it just in one pan and it's so easy to make, and you can cut it up into wedges and give it off to your kids in wedges. For this you need basically very few ingredients, obviously cooked broken wheat and other basic taste makers. So for broken wheat you need to buy it from any Indian store, wash it in water. You need about 1 cup. You need to wash it in water until it runs clear and then boil it with a little salt. Once it's soft you can drain it away. Now this will take approximately about 10 to 15 minutes when the broken wheat gets cooked. Once it's strained, leave it to cool and then only we can get to this recipe. For this you need red onions. I've used a medium-sized red onion, some coriander leaves, 1 green chili and 2-3 cloves of garlic. I've de-seeded my green chili, but if you like hotness, please do go ahead and chop it up finely. Once all these ingredients, dry ingredients have been added, add in your 1 chicken egg. You can omit the chicken egg if you like, if you're a pure vegetarian. Then add salt and a little water. I've used 1 glass of water. I've actually taken only 1 glass of water, but I've used it very sparingly, so see how much water you need. You basically need just enough water to bind this whole mix into a very thick mass. It will be looser than a dough and thicker than a cake batter or a dosa batter. So just keep adding in little bit water, and for those who have not used egg, it's fine. You can add in milk instead for the liquid part of it. Then add in 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida or corn flour if you have. Add in and mix it once more. See that there are no lumps of maida on it, and keep adding water until everything comes into a uniform, nice creamy batter. It should be thick and it shouldn't readily flow off from your spoon. Once that's ready, heat up a thick bottomed pan. Add in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once it's hot, add in your mix of broken wheat. Keep the heat at low flame, and as you can see, I've taken a fork and gently I have spread it out around the corners to get a flat surface. You need to have an even base and an even top also, so that it cooks evenly. It's like a huge omelette that's quite firm. Then cover it up and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. Once that is done, once a crust develops, you need to turn it over. Now that's a bit tricky, but you need to do it patiently. So this whole dish will be over within 10 minutes. If you've liked the recipe, please do subscribe and send me your comments and suggestions. I'll be waiting to hear from you. By the way, please check the recipe link if you want to know all the ingredients and their measurements. And thanks for watching. I hope you really liked it. Try it, it's really tasty.